This is the case of Ong versus Ong with GR number 153206. The facts. William Ong and Lucita Ong have been married for more than 20 years when Lucita filed a complaint for legal separation under the family code. Lucita alleged that since their third year of marriage, her husband William subjected her to physical violence repeatedly and even pointed a gun at her and asked her to leave the house, which she did. Lucita's statements were corroborated by other witnesses. Thus, the trial court granted Lucita's petition for legal separation, which the CA affirmed. Aggrieved, William filed a petition. He averred that the CA erred in relying the testimonies of the witnesses of Lucita, and that since Lucita abandoned the family home, she has also given a ground for legal separation and therefore should not be granted because where both parties have given ground for legal separation. The issue now here is whether or not Lucita Ong should be granted a decree on legal separation. It was held that yes, because the repeated physical violence and grossly abusive conduct by William were duly established in the proceedings, and that the trial court gave great respect to the credibility of the testimonies of the witnesses, and that the court finds that their testimonies were not tainted with bias. The abandonment referred to by the family code is abandonment without justifiable cause for more than 1 year. Lucita left William due to his abusive conduct. Therefore, Lucita should be granted a decree of legal separation.